Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to draw a Lamborghini Urus step by step. We'll begin by lightly sketching the fundamental shape of the Urus. Think about its distinctive long, low profile and wide, aggressive stance. Using simple geometric forms like rectangles and trapezoids will help you establish the correct proportions and overall size. Don't press too hard with your pencil. These are just guidelines to get us started on our exciting drawing journey. Now, let's refine the body by adding some of the Urus's most recognizable features. Carefully define the sharp, angular lines of the hood and the sleek curve of the roofline. Next, sketch out those bold, prominent wheel arches and the distinctive side skirts that give the Urus its powerful look. Don't forget to include the iconic Y-shaped headlights and taillights, which are crucial to its unique identity. These details truly bring the drawing to life. Moving on, we'll focus on the wheels and windows, which add significant depth to your drawing. Carefully draw the large, intricate wheels, paying attention to the spoke design and the visible brake calipers behind them. Outline the windows and windshield with precision, capturing their sleek, tinted appearance. Make sure your wheels are perfectly centered within the wheel arches, giving your Urus a balanced and realistic stance. This step really makes the vehicle feel grounded. For our final steps, we'll bring everything together with some finishing touches. Gently erase all your initial guidelines, leaving only the refined outlines of your Urus. Now, add subtle shading to various parts of the vehicle, like under the wheel arches and along the body creases, to create a sense of depth and three-dimensionality. Finally, highlight key areas to give your drawing a polished and professional appearance. You've successfully drawn a fantastic Lamborghini Urus.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.